Dad, where are we going today?
We are visiting New York City.
Wow, the buildings are so tall. Stay close to us, kids.
Can I take pictures?
Yes, but don't walk away.
Look, a giant toy store.
I want to go inside. This store is amazing.
I love this robot toy. Kids, come here now! The streets are getting crowded.
Wait, where is Dad? I can't see Mom either.
Tom, I think we are lost. What do we do now? Don't cry, Tom. I'm trying not to. Are you kids okay? We lost our parents. Do you know their phone number? No, I forgot.
Dad said stay together.
I'm scared now. Let's find a police officer. Okay, thank you.
What are your names?
Akanji. I'm Emma, and this is Tom.
Where did you see your parents?
Near the toy store.
Where are the kids?
They were behind us.
Call Emma's phone now.
She left it at home.
Oh no, this is terrible.
We must stay calm. Do your parents know this area?
No, we are tourists. I hear someone calling us.
Wait, that sounds like Mom. Emma! Tom!
Thank goodness you are safe.
Mom, we were very scared. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
The police officer helped us. Thank you so much, officer.
Always stay close in busy places.
We learned our lesson today. Are you both okay now? Yes, but I'm still shaking.
Let's eat something warm. Can we have pizza?
And hot chocolate too? Of course, you deserve it.
New York is exciting, but scary.
Big cities can be confusing.
Next time, I will hold Dad's hand. That is a very smart idea. Can we still ride the train?
Yes, but nobody walks away now. Sometimes scary moments teach important lessons.
Stay calm, stay together, and help each other.
This train is so fast.
I love New York trains.
Everything is so bright here.
It feels like a movie city. This park is huge.
It feels so peaceful here.
Look! The Statue of Liberty!
It is bigger than I imagined.
This bridge is very famous.
The view is beautiful.
New York hot dogs smell amazing.
And this pretzel is huge. I can see the whole city.
The cars look tiny from here.
Can I keep this statue toy?
Yes, it will remind us of New York.
Today became much better.
Sometimes bad days become special memories.
I love New York City. Me too. Bye-bye, dear listeners. See you next episode.